Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, got a little good news. Last video, told you all that I had a little unfortunate accident with my air fryer. Well, my brother was watching my video, called me up and said, "Hey, I got you an air fryer right here, man. Don't buy one." So that's what I did. Went and got it, or actually he brought it over. It was him and his wife, and this thing is a monster. So we're going to try some fried chicken in it. Don't know how it's going to turn out, but let's do her. Alright y'all, this thing is a beast. It is huge. The camera probably doesn't do it justice, but I mean, look at that. I mean, this thing is twice the size of my old one. You know, my old one, yeah, it was just, yeah. So the way you load it, a little different than my other one. Just lift the top off here, and it's got a glass bowl on it here. It does have a cross shaft there for a rotisserie. I did not get the rotisserie with it, but that's okay. We can get that later. So, but yeah, let me grab the chicken, and we're going to throw it in this basket, and we'll get this thing fired up. Alright y'all, we're going to use the Banquet fried chicken. I am making fried chicken from scratch, you know. But I've had this before out of the oven, and it's good stuff, so we're going to kind of wing this. Chicken, wing, get it? Anyways, put this down here in the basket. I'm going to dump all them goodies down in there too. Get them all fried up and crisped up. So, of course, I left a mess on my stove. Alright, get that lined up. Get this thing plugged in here. This thing's got a monstrous long cord on it. If I didn't say it before, this is the Power XL Turbo air fryer. So, get that there. We're going to go to bake. I think. Yeah, let's go to bake. Roast fish. Chicken? Let's try chicken. Why not? The instruction on the box says 400 for 50 minutes. We're going to put it in for 30, and then we'll check it. So, alright. Just hit the power button. She starts doing a little spinny fan thing there. So, alright. We'll let this cook. We'll bring y'all back. We put it in there for 30 minutes. So, I'll lift this off there. Well, she's looking pretty good. A little brown there on the one. A couple pieces there. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to pick it up. I'm going to flip it over. Alright, put the lid back on here there. I'm going to power this back up. Get back to our chicken setting. Bring our temperature back up to the 400 that it said. And we're going to put it in for, yeah, let's do for 20 minutes on this side. So, alright. Let's give her a whirl. Bring y'all back after this is done. Alright y'all, timer just went off on this thing. Let's lift this lid. Looks pretty dang good. I mean, can y'all see that? Whew. Yeah. Get you a little better view. I mean, there's just little tidbits of I've done this on this thing. So, get all that goodness out of there. Alright. Alright. Let's bring you in for a closer look. Alright, y'all, look at that. I mean, that looks delicious. I mean, it's good and crispy. I think I'm going to enjoy this, so. Alright, I'm going to get the camera set back up. We'll do a little taste test. Alright, y'all. This is the same night I did the fried chicken. We're going to try to roast some Brussels sprouts, because I want some vegetables to go with my chicken. I like roasted Brussels sprouts, so I got this basket in here. It's got a couple little arms that stick up, and we're gonna kind of sit it, maybe. Yeah, we're gonna sit it down in like that. I'm gonna throw the top back on her here. Bring the power on. We're going to go to roast, which is the little steak thing. Yep, 350 sounds good. Let's try 10 minutes. I don't want to over roast them, so. Alright. I'm going to keep an eye on these and get those done, and then we're going to have some chicken too. Alright, y'all, timer just went off, so I'll set this down out of the way. Ooh, them things look good. Oh yeah, that's just how I like them. A little brown. So, alright, let's get the camera turned around here. We'll do a little taste testing. Alright, y'all. Time for a taste test on that chicken. Got that chicken. It's really hot. Got a really good flavor. Really crispy. Beverage of the day. Brown mood juice. Alright. I think we're going to like this air fryer. Alright, y'all. I'm going to do a taste test, but I guess I should tell you how I prepped these. They were frozen. Cut them in half. I let them thaw a little bit, then cut them in half. Add a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and a little Parmesan cheese. Shaker style, you know. So, let's give one of these suckers a try. That is good. I think that's my new favorite way to cook these things. Oh yeah. So, alright. Beverage of the day. Same as with the chicken. Brown mood juice. Man, them Brussels sprouts are good. Kind of soft on the center and crispy on the outside, just the way I like them. So, alright, there y'all have it. 2 meals for the price of one in the air cooker, air fryer, I should say. Might try some fish next. See if we can do some fish up. So, anyways, if you think that's a good idea, leave it down there in the comments. So, any other ideas what we can cook in this big thing? Lay them on me. So, appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that. Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Come on in, hang out. Let's have some fun. So, as always, bon appetit.